Hey everybody, this is my Honeybell Tangelo tree. Uh, just out here taking a look at it so far. I bought this tree last year. I haven't done anything with it since the day I bought it. I just came and just kept it in the same pot, excuse me. And just set it here in front of my house where it gets plenty of rain every time it rains and stuff. But I want to talk about the fruit. I don't believe this is the Honeybell. I have tasted several fruits off this tree so far, and they still have more of a lemon taste to me, more of that tartness lemon taste. So I don't know. I'm gonna probably put it in a bigger pot and give it some chicken manure and rabbit manure and stuff, fertilizer, to see if that would help. But so far I'm not a fan of it, but it's still a fruit regardless. Still got vitamin C in it and stuff, so if anything, I'll just use it for teas and stuff right now, and I give it another tasting next year. I might just wait for maybe another week or two and see if the fruit gets sweeter, but for now, this is it. It's a nice sized tree, nice sized fruit. But I'm gonna just give it a little love and attention. See if it can produce some sweeter tasting fruit. So just stay tuned. Let's see how this goes, everybody. Everybody stay safe, stay blessed, and keep praying.